Hi, welcome to my channel Diced and Spiced. A very happy new year 2021 to all my viewers. Let's put behind the year 2020 and start this new year with hope, love and a superb dessert from Diced and Spiced. Today we are going to see how to make a Kesar Kulfi. Our fond memories of the kulfi will be a kulfi wala ringing the bell of his vehicle and beckoning us. But often, it will be addressed with a strong no from our parents citing hygiene reasons. Today, let's see how to make a rich and tasty kulfi right at home. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so. Let's go into the recipe. Take 1.5 liters of whole milk, that is full cream milk, and bring it to a full boil. The milk has completely boiled over. I have taken 1 tin of condensed milk, that is around 400 ml. Add it completely to the hot milk and let it dissolve. Stir it continuously. I have here a 1/4 cup of milk powder. Add this to the hot milk and stir continuously until it is fully dissolved. Adding the milk powder thickens the milk, but this is optional. Both the condensed milk and the milk powder have completely dissolved in the milk. In a separate cup, take a few strands of saffron, add a few ladles of hot milk and keep it aside for at least 15 minutes. This will help to get a nice golden yellow color for our kulfi. If you do not prefer to use kesar, you can avoid it. The main flavoring agent will be elaichi. I'm going to use an instant pot today to make our kulfi. For the stuffed top method, continue to stir the milk in low to medium flame until it forms nice thick malai on the top. As the malai keeps forming, just mix it into the milk. Do this for at least half an hour until the milk becomes nice and thick. Now let's transfer this hot milk to the instant pot. I have here the saffron that's been soaking in hot milk for around 15 minutes. Let's first add this to the hot milk. Mix it thoroughly. We can see that it is pale yellow in color now, but as the milk heats up, the color will deepen. I'm going to use the slow cook mode today in the instant pot. Set the instant pot in slow cook mode for at least 2 hours. If time permits, you can cook it for longer hours in the slow cook mode. It will help to get the milk thicken further. Let's now add half a teaspoon of powdered elaichi, stir the milk well, and leave it as it is. The slow cook mode is very useful as you need not oversee the whole process. Every half an hour or 1 hour, we can just check on the milk and collect the malai that is formed on the top. Let's see after half an hour. Here we see nice thick malai formed. Collect it with the help of a ladle and mix it into the milk. Keep doing this for every half an hour or 1 hour. This malai gives a nice rich taste to the kulfi. After around 1.5 hours, you can see that the saffron has imparted a nice deep golden yellow color to the kulfi. Here is the milk at the end of 2 hours. It has reduced to almost half of its original quantity. At this stage, check on the sugar level in the milk, add more if required and keep it in the slow cook mode for another half an hour. I have here some chopped nuts, some almonds, pistas and cashews. Let's add them. Switch off the instant pot. Mix these nuts well. You can transfer this milk to kulfi molds, popsicle sticks or a loaf pan. I'm using a loaf pan today. Transfer all the milk into the loaf pan. Cover the loaf pan and transfer it to a freezer for at least 8 hours. It's been more than 8 hours since we've frozen the kulfi. It's perfectly set. Let's see how to cut it. I've placed the whole block of kulfi on a chopping board. Using a knife, you can slice it through easily. As we have thickened the milk so much, there are no water crystals in the kulfi, so it is nice, creamy and rich. It's full of nuts and devoid of any preservatives. With each bite, you can feel the nice aroma from the saffron and the elaichi, the crunchy nuts, and the creamy and rich milk. Try this Kesar Kulfi at home for parties, potlucks and desserts for your kids. I'm sure it'll be a huge hit. Enjoy this new year with God's blessings and sweet beginnings from Diced and Spiced. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.